Managing money can be hard enough as an adult. The experts will tell you there's no time like the present when it comes to teaching your children.
Well, one app is trying to make it easy for parents when it comes to paying your kids for chores while teaching them a thing or two about the value of a dollar. WGN's Julie Unruh has more on the BusyKid app helping families navigate a cashless society.
BusyKid wants to create a balanced financial relationship with money that starts with hard work and is rewarded on payday. But there's more to it than that. The app's founder sees this as healthy habits that'll hopefully start with them as kids and stay with them as adults.
We ready? Let's go.
Meet the Sheridan girls. They're doing their dear old dad a favor by walking the family dogs, doing the dishes, taking out the trash. Tessa is 16. At the Sheridan house, she's happy to help when she knows she's getting paid to lighten her parents' load.
Some of my chores include like how much money I get for walking the dogs, how much money I get for feeding them. I can get money for loading and unloading the dishwasher. $1 for loading, $1 for unloading. If I walk one dog, I get $1. If I walk both dogs, I get $2.
Her dad turned to the BusyKid app a few years ago to manage the chores and his daughter's spending habits. In this digital age, it just makes more sense for them than old-fashioned job charts like these.
Well, like all great ideas in our household, it came from my wife.
The app helps them all keep track of money earned and then breaks it out into 3 critical categories: save, spend, and share.
We actually automatically split the money up into 3 separate areas every time they earn money. So it's not just a earn and burn kind of philosophy, which is what most kids do, and they like it.
The app's founder says they like it all right, but parents know with that approach, the lesson is quickly lost.
Making money decisions is something that all of us do every single day. Like, you know, it's just the world we live in, right? So you as you get better at it, all of a sudden your world opens up.
BusyKid will ask the age of the child and even make suggestions on chores and how much they should be paid at that age. It also helps the adults decide how much should be allocated to each category. You can slice the pie any way you'd like.
This whole thing where they can donate money to a cause, I mean, the one thing these kids have seen is how much we do in our community, right? And we try and instill that. Well, that's part of the app too. How cool is that?
And this BusyPay feature makes chores outside of the home, maybe birthday or graduation money from a relative, easier to deposit too. Kids can share the QR code and the touchless cash heads straight to their account. Now to spending. It's made easy with this spend card. Whatever parents or kids load there can be used easily at the point of sale. Gone are the days of piggy banks and envelopes from grandparents filled with crisp bills. Kids today are on a new path in a cashless society, but the lessons that go with it remain the same. Some parents are seeing to it, just sharing those financial principles digitally.
It was just as much an easy way to reimburse them for helping around the house and instill this work ethic and this understanding that you work, you get paid for it, and this is how our world works. You know, it's never too young to teach them how the world works.
And Tessa's on board, cashing in when she can.
It's good because you're too young to get a job, but you also want to make money. And, you know, that this way it's easy to keep track of. And you don't have to organize all your cash and do all that. It's all in one place. So that's why I like it.
The BusyKid app is both iOS and Android friendly. It costs a family $19.99 per year and comes with 1 spending card. If you need more cards for each kid in your house, it's an additional $7.99 per card. For more information, just head to our website, WGNTV.com. Julie Unruh, WGN News.